There's Sigmund. And there's Ginger. And it's about 100 degrees outside. Wait, Sig. And there's Haley and her friend Trinity squirting each other with the
water.
with the water. Come on, Ginger.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Come on. Come on, doggy. Don't act like idiots. You're alright. Wait, Sig. Don't get the camera wet either, thank you. Come on, Ginger. We are in Newcastle, Indiana, planet Earth, USA. The crossroads of America. Yeah. You're okay, buddy. Smile, Sig. You're such a good boy. Come here, Sig. Smile for the camera.